Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super important for all you XRP holders out there. How to securely transfer your XRP to cold storage in 2025. With crypto scams on the rise, keeping your assets offline is one of the smartest moves you can make. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to protect your XRP from hackers and online threats. Let's get started. First off, what's cold storage? It's basically a way to store your cryptocurrency offline, like on a hardware wallet or a paper wallet, so it's not vulnerable to internet attacks. For XRP, which is Ripple's digital asset, the process is straightforward but requires attention to detail. Step 1. Choose your cold storage option. In 2025, popular choices include hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor, which are specifically designed for assets like XRP. Make sure it's compatible. Check the manufacturer's website for the latest updates. Once you have your device, set it up by following the instructions, creating a new wallet, and generating a seed phrase. Remember, that seed phrase is your backup. Keep it safe and never share it. Step 2. Get your XRP ready for transfer. If your XRP is on an exchange like Coinbase or Binance, log in and go to your wallet section. Double-check your balance to ensure you're transferring the right amount. Now, initiate a withdrawal. You'll need to enter your cold wallet's receiving address. Copy it directly from your hardware wallet to avoid any typos. Step 3. Confirm and transfer. Before hitting send, verify the network. XRP uses the XRP ledger, so make sure you're selecting that. Fees might be low, but always check current rates. Once transferred, wait for confirmations. This could take a few minutes. Finally, after the transfer, verify everything in your cold wallet app. Test with a small amount first if you're new to this. And there you have it. Your XRP is now safely in cold storage. Remember, always stay vigilant with your private keys and keep your software updated. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.